for an unboxing, and there is not pizza in here, or whatever this is. Something with cheese. It's definitely not that. What do you think it is, Charlie boy? Oh, look at that. Look at those. Beautiful condition. Some new to me from Kijiji. But practically new. Snap-on screwdrivers. This is my favorite style of screwdriver, and I was missing in my collection. I was missing the Robertson, so I've got to figure out where these will go. They'll be replacing my Craftsman. Not that I don't like these, but I just always wanted a set like this. This is my favorite style of handle of all the snap-on screwdrivers. So I've got several different flats, Phillips. I've got an orange one I keep in my tool bag, especially for drywall. I can always spot it in my tool bag because it's got the orange handle. It's in the truck right now. So I'll keep these for some of my secondary set that I use daily when I'm changing oil and stuff like that. Take a little more abuse. Keep a set of Craftsman in there. So I'll pick the nicest ones, and the ones I don't need will be going to someone else, passing on. So yeah, I can't wait to get these in my drawer and see how they look. So with a little jiggling, I got them to fit in, but I think I can do better. These ones are a little crowded, but might be time to separate out, you know, nut drivers and Torx, maybe in a different drawer. So this is the final layout of the screwdriver drawer. Got that new set in here. I moved the nut drivers over here. I've only got a couple of them anyways, but there's room for expansion if and when I get some more. This can all move over. There's a little bit of flex in here. And this also could go over there, but I'll leave it here for now. It's a kind of an impact driver, kind of a heavy duty screwdriver kit. But I've got the Robertsons all in here. I've got Allen wrenches. These are snap-on metric and imperial. Torx. Some Craftsman Torx, a little tiny Torx. And then some trim tools for pulling off car trim and whatnot. I can't even remember what this is for. Little pick tool. And some stubbies. At the Craftsman Robinson stubbies, flat, and the snap-on. These really tiny trim screwdrivers. And then the big old Craftsman, it doesn't fit this way, so I had to orient it this way. And I've got Craftsman flat, Craftsman Phillips, and then the same thing with snap-on, the flat, and then the Phillips on this side. So it fits pretty good. Got a little bit of room in here now. And more space in here if I want to increase these.